So let's come on this side, face me. Okay. Excellent. Let's turn to the other side. That way. Glutes a little tight.
I didn't do anything.
Didn't do anything. We're going to come this side. Excellent. Let's sit up for a moment. Right where you're at. So, yeah. Right. Scoot a little more towards the center there. Nice. And let's bring your arms and come up this way. Loose grip. So it's elbows together. Good. Nice. Right. Good. Perfect. Great. And we're going to do lie face down. And turn your head to the right. And to the left. There it is. Excuse me, just pull that there.
I know. It's relieving my sister.
Okay, so let that shoulder go right there. That's
She
good.
just had one cup of coffee.
Face down.
I didn't get a cup of tea. It's like, oh. You know, something about the warmth. She doesn't.
Right there. Turn your head to the other side there. Good. Feel that right there? Right there. Right. Face down.